Hello students, welcome to the trigonometric ratio part 4. Here we'll be doing the solved examples given in the Maharashtra textbook for class 11. So the first question is it is given tan theta is plus 1 by tan theta is equal to 2. So this type of function is very interesting. Suppose you are having y is equal to x plus 1 by x. So this value will be minimum 2 for any positive x, and for this value will be minimum at what x, at x is equal to 1. So x is also 1 and 1 by x is also 1. So here it is given 2. 2 means tan theta will be also 1, and this 1 by tan theta will be also 1. So tan theta is equal to basically 1. So tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta, 1 square plus 1 by 1 square, that is also 2. So whatever you do it, suppose they are asking tan 2005 theta plus 1 by tan 2005 theta. So this value will be also 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So if you write the generalized equation means y is equal to x plus a square by x. So what is the y minimum is equal to? Y minimum is equal to, for positive value of x. This also be positive. This also a square, this has to be positive because a square I have taken. And this has to also be positive. So y minimum will be, y minimum will be 2 root a. At what x? X is equal to root a. So here the minimum value will be 2 root, y minimum 2 root. Here if it is putting 9, then it will be 2 root 9. And this is x is equal to root 9, that is 2. That means this is 6 and this is 2. You from coordinate also you can see the x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 6. So here x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 2. So here if we if it is given x plus 9 by x is equal to 6, then uh, immediately we can tell that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 6. How? By this one, this funda. You can solve it another by algebraic method also. X plus 1 by x is equal to x is equal to 2, x square plus 1 plus 2x, then x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means x minus 1 square is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 1. So as you got this also. But this is the fundamental. So now here that is also 2. Tan theta, tan square theta, even tan cube theta plus 1 by tan cube theta will be also 2 because this x is equal to 1. Okay, now come to the second question. Second question, it says in left hand side is a cos square theta. This is tan. So why don't you convert this into sec square theta? So cos square theta conversion, first you will have to convert it to sec square theta. So tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1 divided by sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So minus 1 minus minus plus. So 2 minus sec square theta divided by sec square theta. Then that is equal to split it 2 by sec square theta minus sec square theta plus sec square theta. So is got cancel. This is 1 and this is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this is not equal to left hand side. So this is not equal. Now come to the third question. First question says, so why don't we convert into one single entity? So this we can write is tan A minus tan B. This also tan B minus tan A. Take LCM tan A 1 minus tan A tan B tan A divided by 1 minus tan A tan B divided by tan B. So now you can write 1 minus tan A tan B tan A tan B are here also 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to tan A multiplied by tan B divided by tan A. So now is equal to 1 minus tan A tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B into cot A into cot A and tan B. So if you cancel it, it will be RHS. But whether you can cancel it, you can cancel it only when this is not equal to 0, rational function. So 1 minus tan A tan B should not be equal to 0. That means tan A tan B should not be equal to 1. That means tan A should not be equal to 1 by cot B, tan B. That means tan A should not be equal to cot B. So it will be cotting into cot B. So you should write what you should write. True only when tan A is not equal to cot B. So this way you should write the answer. Now come to this question. So what you will do? You do one thing. You convert cot into tan A or sin A cos A better. Then cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Here also plus sin theta by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Then further solve cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Here also sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. So that is equal to cos square theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Here also sin square theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Here take minus common. So minus common, then it will come plus, it will come minus. Here minus. So now you take LCM, that is sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. So this become plus sine theta become sine square theta and minus cos square theta. Now this one will be sine theta minus cos theta into sine theta plus cos theta divided by sine theta minus cos theta. So whether you can cancel it, you can cancel only when sine theta minus cos theta is not equal to 0. So sine theta should not be equal to cos theta. Then you will write true only when sine theta is not equal to cos theta. So now come to the question number 3. This type of question, either you can solve this one or by height base hypotenuse method. So let us see first height base hypotenuse method. So here 5 tan is equal to root 2. So tan is equal to root 2 divided by 5. And A is lying in which quadrant? Third quadrant. So third quadrant is tan positive, but third quadrant B is negative. So B is negative. We can write minus 5k, and H we can write minus root 2k. Then L will be root over B square plus H square. So that is equal to root over 25 plus 2k. That is root 27k. Here sec B is equal to uh, root 11. So cos B is equal to 1 by root 11. Or here this is base and this is hypotenuse. And in which quadrant is in fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant, what happens? Fourth quadrant B positive and H negative. So B will be 1k, L is also root k. Now you have to convert, find out H. So how you will find out? Root over L square minus B square. And this will be negative, so you have to put negative. You select negative. So 11 minus 1k, that means minus root 10k. So cos a k is equal to L by H. So what is L? L is 27k. So root 27k divided by minus 5k. No, minus H no, minus root 2k. So k got cancelled. Then this is root 27 by minus root 2. Now here we have to find tan B. So tan B is equal to height by base. So what is height? So height we have calculated minus root 10k and base. Base is k. So k got cancelled. Then minus root 10. So here we got root 7 by root 27 by root 2 minus, and here minus and this minus plus. So minus of minus root 10. So minus plus. Then we take the root 2. So root 27 minus and 2 and 10. 20 root 20 by root 2 is the answer. You can utilize this formula also and you can find out. So how will find out? So you have to find what is given. you have given is tan. So what is given? First to write tan A is equal to root 5 by root 2 by root 5 it is given. And what is given? Tan B is equal to, and what is given? Which is sec B is equal. Sec B is equal to, what is given? Sec B is equal to, say sec B, that means cos B it is given. Cos B is equal to 1 by root 11. So from cos, you have to find tan. And from tan, you have to find sine. Because sine reverse it, then it will be cos. So first you find sine, then sine is equal to tan theta by root over plus minus 1 plus tan square theta. Now what you will consider? You will consider minus only. Why minus? Because sine it is in this coordinate. This coordinate sign is negative. So you have to find take it minus only. So tan theta is equal to root 2 by 5. Root 2 by 5. No? Root 2 by 5. Root 2 by 5. This is not root 5. You said 5. So you write 2 by 5 divided by root over 1 plus 2 by 25 square. So that is equal to root 25 root 5. 5 will get cancelled. So 2 by root 27. And here negative you have to select because it's in third quadrant. So this value is negative. So this is what? This is sin theta. Then cosec theta is equal to minus root 27 by root 2. Now here what is given? It is cos it is given. Then what you have to find? You have to find tan. So tan is equal to, and what you have to select? You have to select is in third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant tan is negative. So you will have to select negative only. So negative minus root over 1 minus 1 by 11 divided by cos 1 by root 11. Sorry, so 11. So that is equal to minus root 10 divided by root 11 divided by 1 by root 11. 11 get cancelled and you have to select negative. So in negative is equal to minus root 10. So now you will put the value. So minus root 27 by root 2 divided by at minus of minus root 10. So that will be minus minus plus and 2 root 20 minus root 27 divided by 2. So with both way you can find out the answer. Now come to the fourth question. Fourth, it is given tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7. Then to convert into cot theta is equal to root 7. So this you convert into cot theta, this you convert into tan theta. So this one is equal to 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 plus tan square theta. So this one get cancelled. Then cot square theta minus tan square theta. Then cot square theta is equal to 7 and this is equal to 1 by 7. Then it is equal to 50 by 7. That is the answer. This is the question number, which one? Fourth. Actually, question is in this, not only this. 50 by 7 divided by cosec square theta plus sec square theta. So, what is the cosec square theta plus sec square theta? So, cosec square theta plus sec square theta will be 1 plus cot square theta and plus 1 plus tan square theta. So, 2 plus 7, 1 by 7. So, 7 7 ja 63 plus 1 by 7. Then 64 by 7. Then answer will be 50 by 7. 50 by 7 divided by 64 by 7. Then it will get cut. 25 or 32 will be the answer. Here it is minus. So yes, so 48. So 48 now. So it will be 48 by 7. 48 by 7. So this is 48 by 7. So answer will be 48 by 7. 48 by 7 divided by 64 by 7. Then 7 7 6 by 8. That is 3 by 4. The 3 by 4 will be the answer. So actually problem was cosec square theta minus sec square theta and then cosec square theta plus sec square theta. So now you put it, we will get 3 by 4. Now come to the question number 5. So here actually you might have seen my algebraic identities where I have told you that AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B A square minus AB plus B square. This is the algebraic identity. Now this is the same, you can write cos square theta the whole cube plus sin square theta the whole cube. So that will be, this is A, this is B. So cos square theta plus sin square theta multiplied by this way cos 4 theta minus cos square theta sin square theta plus sin 4 theta. This become 1. And here is a sin square theta and cos square theta. So you convert it cos square theta and cos square theta 1 minus sin square. Then here minus cos square theta sin square theta. Here also you convert sin square theta to 1 minus cos square theta. So here it becomes cos square theta minus cos square theta sin square theta minus cos square theta sin square theta plus sin square theta minus cos square theta sin square theta. So 1, 2 and 3. And cos square theta sin square theta is become 1. This one will become 1. So 1 minus 3 cos square theta sin square theta RHS proved. Now sixth question. Sixth question say you have to eliminate. So you cos theta and sin theta, then cos theta and sin theta, how you can eliminate? By sin square theta, cos square theta. So convert into the sin square theta and cos square theta. So x by a is equal to cos theta then x square by a square is equal to cos square theta. Similarly, y by b square is equal to sin square theta. So for you add this one to this one, then x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So this will be here also this is a cos q theta, this is sin q theta. So here also you can do cos theta will be x by a to the power 1 by 3. Then cos square theta will be x by a to the power 2 by 3. Similarly, sin square theta is equal to y by b to the power 2 by 3. You add it, then it will be 1 is equal to x by a to the power 2 by 3 plus y by b to the power 2 by 3. Now come to the this question. So in here cos theta is equal to x minus 2 divided by 3, and sin theta is equal to 5 minus 5 divided by 3. You square it and add it, then it will be x minus 2 by 3 the whole square plus y minus 3 by 2 by 3 the whole square is equal to 1. So in this way we will be eliminating. Now come to the question number 7. So sin square theta you convert into cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta plus 7 cos theta is equal to 5. So it will be 2 minus cos square theta 2 multiply here also. So plus 7 cos theta equal to 5. So you take it all here is this side. So it will be 2 cos square theta positive, and this become negative, negative and 5 3, and this will be negative minus 7 cos theta plus 3. So now you have to factorize. So how will factorize? So 2 into 3, that is plus 6. So minus 7 you have to split in such a way that multiplication will be minus 6. So minus 6 cos theta and minus cos theta plus 3. This way you can do. So 2 cos theta common, then cos theta minus 3. And here you take minus 1 common. Then cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0. So from here you take cos theta minus 3 common. Cos theta minus 3, then it will be 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So now cos theta is equal to 3 and cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. But cos theta value cannot be more than 1 or should not be less than minus 1. Cos theta lies between, because anyway cos theta is b by L, no? So b cannot be more than L. So it cannot be more than 1. And similarly, it's a negative, it is negative. So it cannot be more than minus 1. So cos theta is equal to 3, impossible. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, you have to take it. So cos theta permissible value is 1 by 2. Now come to the question number 8. So here also you will have to do the trick. So 4 sin square theta minus 2 root 3 sin theta plus sin theta plus root 3 is equal to 0. Now take 2 sin theta common. Then here 2 sin theta minus root 3. 3 sin theta. Here 2, no? We have 2. 2 root 3 and 2. So here will be 2 sine theta plus root 3. So you take this also minus. This one is also minus. So here you take minus 1 common. So it becomes 2 sine theta minus root 3 because the minus 1 common. So it will be minus 3. So 2 is this one you take common, then become 2 sine theta minus 1. So sine theta is equal to root 3 by 2 and sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. So sine theta root 3 by 2, then finding the value. So theta is equal to pi by 3 and here sit pi, then theta is equal to pi by 6. So not only that, actually you add 2 pi into that, you add 2 pi into that. So this is also possible. Or in this coordinate is also possible. But principal value will be pi by 3 and pi by 6 only. Now come to the question number 9. Question number 9 is very interesting. See, tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 1.5 means 3 by 2. You multiply tan theta plus minus sec theta or sec theta minus tan theta by and deduct also divide also sec theta minus tan theta. So sec square theta minus tan square theta a minus b and a plus b equal to sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. So this become 1. So 1 by sec theta minus tan theta equal to 3 by 2. Then sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. And sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. It is given sec theta plus tan theta is equal to, it is given 3 by 2. So you add it, cut 2 sec theta equal to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Take LCM 6, 4 plus 9 and it is equal to 13 by 6. Sec theta is equal to 13 by 6. Tan theta you deduct this minus this. So 2 tan theta, 2 tan theta is equal to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. So 6 is this sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. So by this way also you can do, or sec if sec theta then tan theta also you can find out. That is not an issue, or you find out from here itself. That will be easy. 2 tan theta is equal to 3 3 is 9, 9 minus 4 5, 5 by 6. So tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. So now you have to find the sin theta. The sin theta is equal to tan theta divided by sec theta, because so tan theta is what? Tan theta is 5 by 12. You have found out, and sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. So that is equal to 5 by 12. That is the answer. Now come to the next question. So how this you are going to do that? Prove that equal to sec theta and cosec theta. So let us convert. You take LCM, simple. Then 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Then you multiply this one. So sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus tan theta minus tan theta into cos theta. So 1 minus cos, 1 minus a, 1 plus a. So 1 minus cos square theta. And here sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus tan theta minus tan theta sin theta divided by cos get cancel. Then here sin theta also get cancel. And here 1 minus cos square theta. So that is equal to sin theta cos theta plus tan theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta. So split it, sin theta into cos theta divided by sin square theta. 1 square get cancel, and this one sin theta by see what sin square theta, sin square theta, sin theta by sin theta into sec theta. Tan theta, how what you can write sin theta by cos theta. 1 sin theta, 1 sin theta get cancelled. This is cot theta, and this is cosec theta, and to cos theta is sec theta. Hence, now come to the next question. So next question is sec square theta, tan square theta. So you remove this one, then what you do? You multiply it by sec theta minus tan theta. So you multiply sec theta minus tan theta. And here also sec theta minus tan theta. LHS. So sec theta minus tan theta, the whole square, and below that sec square theta minus tan square theta, that is equal to 1. So here sec square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 sec theta into tan theta. And this sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. And this is tan square theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta. So this is become 1 minus 2 sec theta into tan theta minus 2 tan square minus tan square 2 tan square plus 2 tan square theta. Answer RHS is equal to RHS. To prove this one. So how will prove that? Do the same thing. Sec square theta, sec square a minus tan square. Sec a minus square. So then you multiply or just divide. That is not an issue. So here what you can write 1 by cos A minus sin A by cos A, the whole square. So that is 1 minus sin A square divided by cos square A. So now 1 minus sin A square divided by 1 minus sin square. So 1 minus sin A square divided by 1 minus sin A into 1 minus 1 plus sin A. So 1 plus sin A. This sin A get cancelled, then it becomes 1 minus sin A equal to 1 plus sin A. Here also sin A cannot be equal to sin A should not be equal to 1. Then only you can get cancelled, otherwise you cannot cancel it. So now come to the last question. Last question is sin 41 pi, obviously in a radian. So what you do, first you write like this 40 by 4 pi. So this is 10 pi. So sin 10 pi plus pi by 4. So find out whether it is lying, where it is lying. So here 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi and 10 pi. So somewhere here it will be lying. So that is equal to sin pi by 4. So that is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the answer. So that's all. We'll solve in the part fifth all the unsolved question. Thank you for the time being.